At times you may find that all the rows are hidden in your worksheet, and you will wonder how to get those back. So how to basically unhide all the rows of your worksheet. So for that you have to go to the home tab, and here you will see this cells section, and here you will see this format tab. So click on it, and then here under the visibility you will see this hide and unhide option, where you will see various menu items. Here you can choose unhide rows, and it will bring all your hidden rows back. So this is how you will get your rows back from your worksheet. And in case you want to hide it further, you can just select all the rows that you want to hide, and then you will go to format and then go to hide rows, and all the rows will be hidden. Likewise you can unhide as well. So just go to format and then you will go to unhide rows, and you will get all those back. And in case you want to hide the columns, you can again select the different columns that you want to hide, and then go to format and then just click on hide columns, and all the columns that you had selected will be hidden. And in case you want to bring it back, just select the columns and then go to visibility section, hide and unhide, and click on unhide columns. So this is how you unhide and hide rows and columns in your Excel worksheet. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.